Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the bubble slides. The design inspiration for this unisex massage bubble slides comes from fruit. It is a convenient slip-on designed massage bubble house slippers for women and men. Provides you with a cute fancy outfit. The sole of bubble slides can effectively massage the soles of feet walking for a long time, relieve your fatigue of the day, and make you feel comfortable. The suggested selling price is $29.95, with the product costing on AliExpress $8, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the electric neck and shoulder massager. It achieves a sufficiently deep relaxation effect of neck muscle tension and fatigue, especially suitable for people who often sit for a long time to work or study. High elasticity and toughness plastic material made it weighs 130 grams only, which is skin-friendly and easy to carry. Comes with a standard Type-C USB connector and a 150 mAh built-in large capacity battery that can support more days. The recommended selling price is €29.99 and the product cost on AliExpress is €9.96. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.